1,600 inmates. It's about to be completed. Mag-cut ng ribbon na, sabi ko, huwag na cut ng ribbon. Cut mo na ang liig ng putang. Sorry. Huwag na magseremonya, sabi ko, buksan na kagad ninyo. And, gano'n na. Parang mga apartments na, mga kondo nga kaharap-harap. Gano'n ang pinakita ng China. Ngayon, sabi, bakit ako magpunta ng China? Okay. Gusto ninyo, ayaw natin China? O sige. May arbitrary ruling tayo. We won. We are entitled to the entitlements of that part of the Red China Sea na atin. Entitlements, it is a territory. The territory is 12 miles. Beyond that is yung ating tawag natin, parang fish pond. Lahat naman tayo binigyan ng fish pond. Oh. Yan, in you Philippines, you have count it from the outermost line, then draw a line there, and that's yours. Lahat tayo may ganon. But China has claimed it to be part of their historic sovereign territory. Okay. Tayo ang nag-file, panalo tayo. Okay, magbotohan tayo. Sino ang gusto na? Dalawa lang eh. I will insist, pag ayaw na lang ibigay, atakihin ko sila. I'll start the war. Mapahiya tayo pag hindi. I talk. O sinong magsabi, birahan natin bukas. Padala ko yung Navy doon bukas. I'll send the gray ships there. Wala. It will be a massacre. And, to top it all, the battleground would be Palawan, anak ng... Buti sana kung sa Massachusetts tayo o sa New York. Sige, fight tayo. Huwag yung bayan ko. Kaya itong kamay ko ng Athena, gusto namang kalabit ng trigger. I don't know what happened. Baka nakarma ako. Siguro yung... Anyway, yan ang dyan. So, China has repeatedly invited me. I have accepted the offer. There was a little bit of kasi I was supposed to punta ng Japan ahead, but Japan gave a definite date. I forgot all about it. Nagbigay sila ng definite date eh. So, wala akong magawa. Sabi ng itong, bakante pala, dito ko muna sa amin. But just for, pupunta ako ng Brunei, tapos didiretso ako ng China. Then, part of that is Japan. Contrary to the belief of other Filipinos, it is not the United Nations. Maliit lang yan, pati yung military. It's the Japanese government. Ang pinakamalaki. Tulong. Then so I'll go to Japan. Then probably I will go to Russia. In that meeting namin sa Laos, nobody knew it, but I said, na-divulge ko naman sa inyo. We talked, kami lang dalawa ni Medvedev. Sabi niya, you go to Russia and we'll talk about it. We have everything that you need here. Pati pera siguro. Well, anyway, yun ang sitwasyon. I do not think that I will tsaka yung tingnan mo talaga ito, keep mo ayan si Roy Simato sa harap ninyo and the other generals here. Bakit nandyan, apat nung sumaludo sa akin kanina, o dyan na, tanongin ninyo. War games, pagdating nila dito, diskarga, then distribute the equipments. Kanina equipments ang gagamitin. So habang nag-war games, kasi yung equipments nila pati, yung equipments natin, they are not compatible. Pag tawag mong ganun, mong bombahan, ang magsagot sa iyo, North Korea. Okay, I love. Padala namin yan. So, hindi compatible. Pag alis ng Amerikano, dala nila. So what's the point? Sila yung nakinabang, sila yung natututo, tayo wala. That's the reality on the ground. And you can ask every military officer thereabout. Anong makuha ko sa kanila? Saka noon pa yan sila. Alam mo, ilang beses ako na pabalik for the time that I was out of the country. I never, nung mayor ako, hindi nakakalabas. First time ako nakapasyal, yung congressman na lang ako. That was in the 1999, 2000. And minsan I could see how yung sigaw-sigawan nila yung Pilipino na mayroon pa akong kilala, nagkasabay kami sa Davao, yung bata, dinala doon sa isang cubicle, yung ama naman, yung bata, sigaw ng sigaw, palang wala lang man sa kanila. Ganon sila ka, kaya noon pa sabi ko, well, if there's a chance, but I do not mean to cancel or abrogate the military alliances. But tangan ko kayo, do you really think we need it? If there is a war, makaupakan, do you think we really need America? And do we need China and Russia for that matter? Or do we need somebody? Pag nagbirahan yan lahat at nabitawan niyang ICBMs, pati yung mga Poseidon, lahat na, there will be no more American aid to talk of. There will no more be a country strong enough to rule. Hindi. Pag magdating yan, wala tayong kailangan. Kung hindi yung pare, kung gusto mo lang ultimo adios. You really think that? Kung is there such a thing as a third world war? Kalukuhan. Alam mo, bantay sila nito. Itong arrogance ng Amerika, si Xi Jinping, pati lalo na si Putin, huwag tayong magkamali dyan. Talagang hirit. Kita mo, pag ginusto niya, kunin talaga niya. He wanted Crimea, he just simply went there to occupy it. Ang Amerika, walang nagawa. So, let us go for alliances that would contribute to the health, to the education. Kung aabot pa tayo ng, if there is a world out there waiting for our children. Otherwise, we have to protect them. Itong the sheer number of 4 million is kalat yan. And lastly, ayaw ninyong maniwala o hindi. Kung kasing i-publish ko, there are about 3,600 elected barangay captains. Na-elect na. 3,000 all over the country. There are about 6,000 policemen there in that list. Ayaw ko na lang i-publish kasi magkagulo ang Pilipinas. Now, naghahanap ako, I'm trying to figure out, been meeting with the military and the civilian, pati yung mga scholars natin, how to go about solving the problem. Because narco-politics has seeped in our political system. The portals of the invasion of drugs into the national government started with Dilima. Totoo yan. Ilang witness na nagsasabi sa inyo, yung Guardia na, yung NBI, yung PSG. Meron na tayong narco-politics. That is why I told Congress, do not call for an election now. Otherwise, manalo ang mga may pera. Na kung nandyan sila sa gobyerno, they will just wait it out. Maybe magdasal yan sila na mahulog yung eroplano ko, o they want maybe to impeach me, o whatever. Balik sila. Pera eh. The greed, the craving for money. Now, if you, pag ambisyosa ka na, look at the way previous step. I'm not insulting you. Just as a matter of law and proof, look at the review intake. Look at the sartorial elegance of how she graduated. Tingnan mo, look at the previous steps. Malaman, ang tao hindi talaga makapigil. Magregalo ng bahay. See? Yan ang mahirap. And then, it has never been answered. Kung kaninong bahay, sinong gumastos. So obviously, alam natin lahat. But that is how narco-politics has set in. Ngayon, next election, be prepared. Ako, wala na ako. Salamat rin. Ako, if these guys can hammer out or craft itong hinihingi ng ating mga kababayan natin na Muslim federal, if you can finish it in 3 years or 2 years, I will go. I will resign. Kasi it will provide the position of a president, which must be elected. The moment it is ratified by the Filipino people, you have my assurance. You have my word of honor. I do not want to stay any longer kung hindi ako kailangan. I will resign and give way. Yan ang garantiya ko sa inyo. But for the time being, di ko malaman kung itong droga. Because pag hinayaan ko, it will destroy the next generation by the sheer contamination and widespread. Di talaga mahirapan yan. It's like a case of Hong Kong noon, when there was this English company given the sole right to sell opium. It took the Chinese 4 generations to entirely wipe out, including my grandfather. Nag-opium yun. Noon kasi nahuli. Maliit pa ako pero malakas na magmadyong, malakas pa mag-yup-yup ng opium ang buang. Took them several generations to. If I mag-let go ako ngayon, it might be bloody, it might be cruel, it might be brutal. That is for my country. I'm not doing it for somebody else. Kaya kung ayaw ninyo magtulong, di matingin kayo. Basta there is a rule which, tsaka yung balot-balot, na binabalot ng, hindi ang gawain ng pulis, hindi ang gawain ng military. Bakit tayo magbalot ng plaster na tao dyan na we are not into manufacturing of mummies? Yun yan sila. Remember that there were several, remember that there are now policemen at large, yung mga ninja tawag nila. There was a time for cleansing and it's still going on. Because nobody, pinatong ko na nga 2 million per head of the 9 known drug manufacturers. Sabi kasi ng mga, kung bakit pa natin ibigay sa kanila, di tayo na lang. Look at, you should visit, I don't know if it would be in bad taste to, the monument of, tignan ninyo sa Arayat, napakalaki. Ganito kalaki Yung ikot ng mga makina doon, tubig, tangke, tapos dito yung heater, tapos yung tube. Finally, yung Cebu. Kaya kung hindi natin makaya